For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, which will give our dessert a rich chocolatey flavor, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda is helping the dessert rise and become fluffy. We'll also need half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Finally, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract will add a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees. Mix the eggs with the sugar until fluffy. Add the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt and whisk them together. Add the other ingredients, milk, oil, vinegar, and vanilla extract. Pour them into the bowl and stir until the mixture is smooth. Pour the batter into a greased pan and pop it into the oven. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Let the cake cool for 10 minutes. This allows the cake to set properly, making it easier to handle and slice. Sprinkle a bit of powdered sugar on top for that extra touch. This not only adds a hint of sweetness but also makes your cake look stunning. Enjoy cooking, like and subscribe for new easy recipes.